and the building. Now this is the second chapter of the Warwick family. This is the second one they built. Once again, using the Cummins 6BT, the actually 7.5 lorry engine. So then we have the good at the back, which was their original build, two really smart chassis, running with the Ford 380, so there's your cargo series or your door or your general engine, which is out of the 7.5 lorry. Now the 130-year-old boys coming in these forward, they go a lot faster than that. Then we just put the game in the green, you have Bill Parker and Ethan Howard. And that's a good example. So that would be a 7.5-litre engine when it was originally in a Jaguar top line. And now they get them with a difficult 10 or 11-litre turbos on. So that's how these are pushing their engines. We have a new one again, which is the Ford, it's very nice silver colours, which is came to the a couple of years ago, and then we've got the rest of the valley. So we have Sun, which is that, once again, 380 in there. We then have Jack coming next, giving us really difficult. We only do the demonstration as a little bit of fun. But a lot of the lads and lasses want to make their tractors go faster and faster. So we then have Jack. So all these tractors are running with 380 again. We have Jack Roberts, which is called Sun. We have Nephew, which we have Ben, another 380. These tractors, they run the space. So in a minute, we are going to show you a little bit of space. So then with that now, we are the grassroots tractor running. From others go on to competition and go to more heavier, high-grip power. But we still pack a bit of a push. So we'd like to say, we're just getting you all lined up. Because we did this last year, and we have a Facebook page which is called Counter Track on the Midlands. And before, a couple of weeks ago, we decided to start a TikTok page. So we do have a TikTok as well. And we put the salute on from last year on our TikTok. And yesterday, or today, we were on about 112,000 likes, or views, and about 8,000 likes. So people definitely still do like to see a bit of black smoke. So that's what hopefully we're going to do. Okay, we have them all lined up for you. We're all ready to go. So come on boys, let's have a he isn't here. So that's the one that doesn't make quite as much smoke. And then we've got Major Sweat. We'll have a little bit of disastrous haul in through 2 turbo on about 2 volts. So hopefully a better weekend. We've got Charlie again, one of our youngest members. He'll be back over his back. He's soldier at 9,000. We'll be coming in. Now that really does go well. There's a wonderful video on our TikTok page. We have the Rogo, so I can see you you've seen class with before, which is of course 380. Now you hear me say 380, and it's just the same engine so many times in the tractor. But what a difference. You just need to come and see it. How these lads can make an engine sing more than others. Some of them just put so much power through them. And considering the Major was only ever built for 60 to 70 horsepower, and these lads are easily putting 500 and 600 horse through them. Not all of them, I must admit,